But I didn't know, and how are you supposed to know? We hear those phrases a lot while handling a septic repair. And it's fair. After all, you can't see your septic system. But that doesn't mean you get to throw in the towel. When it comes to septic leaks, early detection is crucial. Common causes of septic leaks. Tree roots. A tree root doesn't care what's in its way. The strong roots can easily damage your septic tank and drain field, causing leaks. Focus on planting septic-safe plants and keeping large trees and shrubs away from your septic. Heavy items and vehicles. It's imperative to know where your septic is, so no heavy items go on top of it. Your tank is surrounded by grass and soil, so when something heavy is on top, it bears most of the weight and compresses under the load, which means crushed pipes and components. Old age, you can prolong the inevitable with good maintenance. But all good things come to an end. If your septic is at the end of its life, it starts degrading, leading to leaks. Too many chemicals. Your tank uses natural bacteria to eat away at waste. If that bacteria is killed off from too much bleach or Drano or chemicals, the waste builds up, and eventually that turns into a septic backup. Signs of a septic leak odor. If you can smell your septic in the yard, something is escaping. The exception? After a heavy rain, you may smell an odor as the ground works to absorb the extra moisture. Greener grass. We all love a lush green lawn, but it's green for a reason, and that's fertilizer, aka waste. If you notice a patch that's greener than the rest of your yard, you may have found your leak. Puddles, an easy visual sign. Take note of puddles. Especially if it hasn't rained, you haven't watered your lawn, and the puddles have a smell. Advanced Septic Services of Florida is here to help. Noticed a septic leak in your system? Give us a call today at 352-242-6100.